Hi, ako ini still standing here, trying to smile through every tear. Permanal na nagkakamali halaf. I give my all but it's never enough. Damang feelings I can't deny, pero kada step I question why. Is it me or just my fate? Why does love always come too late? I try to fix what I don't understand, holding on with a trembling hand. But every time I start to fall, ako lagi habang mawawala huling nga adlaw. Kaya I'm broken, pero naghihigugma. Even if it hurts, bisan waray na paglaw pa. I give my heart, I give my all, pero ako lagi habang mabibilin after it all. Not enough, that's what I feel. Every forever never turns real, so I stay. Bisan nasasakitan, broken heart, but still fighting. They say love yourself, I tried my best, pero may the nights I can't even rest, thinking maybe I'm too much or cool. Why does my love always feel wrong? Time, effort, loyalty I gave, still they leave, still I'm not safe. Maybe I'm not the one they choose, always the heart that ends up bruised. I'm tired but I still pretend, maybe someday this pain will end. But for now I just hold on tight, even if I'm breaking every night. Kaya I'm broken, pero naghihigugma. Even if it hurts, bisan waray na paglaw pa. I give my heart, I give my all, pero ako lagi habang nabibilin after it all. Not enough, that's what I feel. Every forever never turns real, so I stay. Bisan nasasakitan, broken heart, but still fighting. Maybe one day may na maabot, someone nga di rin na malagad, someone nga makikita ang worth ko. Nga di rin ako papabayaan, di rin magbabago. But until then I'll be okay, learning to love me day by day. I'm still broken, pero naghihigugma. Even